Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about ladder if. We are going to learn about the ladder if statement, how in Python ladder if statement works. This is a one of the type of using conditional statement, that is if. So for understanding this, I am going to take a example which is a program as an example, and I'm writing this write a program to find out, write a program to find whether the given character, whether the given character is a is an alphabet, is an alphabet, digit, or a special character. So I'm writing this problem as a comment. So is an alphabet, digit, or a special character. Now, first of all, we need an input to be given by the user. So I'm taking a variable ch in which user is going to input a character from the keyboard. So enter any character. Enter any character. Now I'm going to use if statement in the form of ladder. In the form of ladder, if statement will be used to check whether the pressed character from the keyboard is an alphabet, digit, or a special character. So I'm going to write if ch greater than equals to, suppose capital A, you can take a double quotes or a single quote, that hardly matters, and ch less than equals to capital Z. But we have to be careful. If I am starting it with a single quote, I have to end it with single quote. So this we have to be very careful. And it may also be in the form of lowercase version. So I can also check that ch is less than equals to small a, and ch, the enter character, is greater than equals to z. Right, now this if statement followed by the condition, now it will be followed by a colon. That is the syntax of writing an if statement, that we already know about it. Now in case the pressed character is between A to Z, which is in capital letter, or it is between A to Z lowercase character, so my program is going to give the message print entered character is an alphabet, right? So now from here it comes as else. Instead of writing else or breaking the if statement or starting the new statement of if, I am going to write elif, which is going to give it as ladder form of if. So now elif, that means ch less than equals to 0. This I have put it in quotes because we are going to enter the input in the form of, it will be greater than equal to 0 and ch is less than equal to 9. Then the message will be, here again the colon will be there, and print, I can also copy the message, but print entered entered character is a digit. Right, now else, else, followed by colon sign, else. Now, if the entered character is not between A to Z, or it is not between 0 to 9, what else is left? It is left with that entered character is a special character. Now let us execute this program. First of all, we will save. Now suppose I save it in the form of ladder if, and now I'm going to run this program. To enter any character, suppose I enter small t, it is going to give the special character. No. Something is wrong. A greater than equal to this, less than equal to, yes, it will be greater than equal to A and less than equal to Z. The condition was wrong. Now again we are going to check. So I am going to run it again. Suppose enter character. Now suppose I have entered T. Yes, it is an alphabet. Because here condition, the relational operator has been placed wrong. It was placed. So it was an error, logical error, which we have removed. Now it is giving correct output. Again I am going to run this program. Suppose now this time I enter 6. Now I have entered a digit. Yes, once again I am going to execute the program. Now this time I am entering, suppose, the caret sign. So it will give me the special character. So in this case we can see that all these conditions are working perfectly. Now how it is in the form of if, ladder if. So suppose if I remove this if and I also remove this else, so it will become a simple if statement. So if this condition is true, then this portion will execute. If this condition is true, then this portion is going to be executed. Then here will be else. Else, this portion is going to be executed. So in this case, there may be an error. Logical error may be occur. Now suppose I enter 4, it is a digit. Then again I execute. It is a special character. Now I have entered G. I have entered a G, but it is an alphabet and special character also, because this else is working for this if as well. So in that case, we are not going to take individual if statements, we are going to take the ladder if, so that this if is with else and this if is also with else statement. This is the form of ladder if. Thank you for this session.